If you feel you may be entitled to a PAYE or USC refund for the previous 4 tax years, you can claim it by logging in to your My Account profile. Simply go to Revenue's website, sign into My Account, enter your login details, and enter the 6-digit verification code that will be sent to your phone or email, and then you will arrive at the My Account homepage. You then need to go to PAYE Services, and you need to select Review Your Taxes for the past 4 years. So in this case, it's 2019 to 2022. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to apply for a PAYE or USC refund in the previous tax year. If you want to do more than 1 tax year, you have to repeat this process for each tax year. So I'm going to select the tax year 2022, and I'm trying to retrieve a statement of liability for the year. So I go to the statement of liability section and I click on request to request the statement. When you request the statement, you will see immediately if you have an overpayment of tax. So in this case, there's an overpayment of tax or PAYE, and there's also an overpayment of USC. So in order to apply for this refund to be processed, I need to complete the income tax return. If it's a case that you don't have an overpayment, but you feel you are entitled to additional tax credits or want to claim medical expenses or the new rent relief tax credit, you will complete the same process. So you scroll down and you start the process of completing your income tax return. And you can see here in bullet points what you can achieve by completing this process. So in my case, I want to receive a refund, but if you want to declare any additional income, if you want any additional credits, this is the process you need to complete. So when I start the process, I see a quick summary here, and there's 5 steps in the process, and I click on Start to start the process. The first step in the process is just confirming my personal details, and I scroll down. One thing to watch out for here in your personal details, just make sure you have your bank account details updated there. If you've no bank account details included, there's nowhere for your refund to be sent. Revenue will always pay a refund directly into the bank account. They no longer issue checks. The next part of the process is step number 2, where you're confirming your PAYE income for the year. So in this case, there's been 1 employment and the total earnings for the year are included there. If it's a case that you've more than 1 employment, all employments will be shown below. The next step in the process is if you've any non-PAYE income that you want to declare. An example of this would be dividends, a small amount of self-employed income or rental income, or any taxable social welfare income that hasn't already been taxed. So if it's a case that you want to include any of that, you will click here under the relevant section. If you have no additional income to declare, you will see here no income on record. Just click on Next to proceed. The next area then is where you're given an opportunity to claim any additional tax credits you may want to claim. So for example, if you want to claim medical expenses, you'll go into health. If you want to claim the rental tax credit, you'll go into other tax credits. In this case, I don't want to claim any additional tax credits. So below are documented the tax credits that I'm entitled to for the year. So I just click on confirm all of them and continue. The last step in the process then is the declaration. So once again, I'm given a summary there of the PAYE earnings for the year, which I've already confirmed in the previous step. And I'm given the tax credit allocation for the year, which I've also confirmed in the previous step. So I need to click on the box here to sign the declaration and then click on Next. When I click on Next, I then need to submit this request to Revenue. So I enter my PPSN number and my account password and sign and submit. Once you have clicked Sign and Submit, your request has been sent to Revenue and you will get a reference number, and Revenue will be back to you within 10 days. You will also receive a confirmation email, once again just confirming your reference number and that Revenue have received the request. And within 10 days, you should receive your refund. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in finding out more about how to navigate your My Account profile, check out my website www.soniawoods.ie, or also check out my other available online courses. Thank you for attending.